The joy and excitement of preparing soft and fluffy laddi pav or simple dinner rolls can only be explained when you really experience it. And this is one such recipe which I am going to share now, which I have been using this for many commercial purposes, and there are many customers for these buns. These buns are really soft and moist, and these remain soft for almost 4 days without any texture difference. And these are my bhaji filled pav buns. These are stuffed with the pav bhaji, which I will update next. Okay, so you can see how soft the texture is. So there are some tricks which you have to follow to achieve this, and I'll be showing you. And so let's see these ingredients. Here I am preparing 20 laddi pavs. For that, into a large mixing bowl I have taken around 5 cups of plain flour, into which I will be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of instant rising yeast. Then goes the milk powder. So if you are using the normal variety of yeast, you have to rise it and then add it. So here I am using a water raux, which is a mixture of flour and water which has been cooked to a thick custard. So you will prepare this mixture by using a hand whisk. You have to keep on stirring and make this thick custard. Now you will be adding this into the flour mixture. It must be cold before you add this. So give the dry mixture a good mix with a hand or a spatula, then add in the water raux. So this raux actually enhances the texture of the bread. Then goes the whipping cream. I am using half cup of dairy whipping cream. You may use Amul cream. Then goes 1.5 cup of normal room temperature water. So this water quantity you can adjust as per your need, like 1 to 1.5 cup it is needed. So depends on the flour type. Then goes unsalted butter 50 grams. Then using the beater, I am going to knead this dough for around 10 minutes. Do not increase the quantity of the rocks more than mentioned in the recipe, because it will result in a sticky bun later. So if you do not have the stand mixer, you have to knead the mixture for around 15 minutes. Once the dough come together, you will add in the butter and knead for 15 minutes roughly if you are kneading by hand. So now cover and let it rest for 1 hour. I will be showing you the texture of the kneaded dough later. So this is the dough which has risen after 1 hour. I will apply oil in my hands and divide it roughly to 20 pieces. Mine came to around 60, somewhere between 60 to 65 grams. So divide it equally. So you can measure out the dough and divide it by 20. So here I am using a 9 by 13 inch tray. I will just pinch the dough roughly and place in the tray. Later I will be shaping it. So divide the dough equally. So you can use half the quantity and prepare 10 laddi pavs. These are called dinner rolls too, because the sweetness of this bun is just perfect. It's not over sweet, so it is more towards the salty side. So this is how you will be pinching the dough. Bring in the ends together, pinch it, and then roll it and place it in the tray. I'll be showing you again. So pinch it towards, bring it to the center, bring all the sides together, pinch it and roll it in your palm like this, so that you won't see the seam ends. So you have to practice this, and this is not too necessary, because the laddi pav is stacked like this. Later it will all rise together and you won't see any problem. Okay, so here I am doing it again and again. I'll be showing you. So here you can see these breads are like 60 to 65 grams each. You can reduce the quantity or you make bigger pav. Actually these are quite big. You can make smaller pav buns like this. So I have let it rest for another 30 minutes. And I'll be preheating the oven at 180 degrees. And I am now brushing some whipping cream. You may brush with normal milk. So I had whipping cream. I am brushing it with whipping cream. Now you will bake this for 25 to 30 minutes until it is golden brown. And once it is out from the oven, you will apply unsalted butter on top like this. This will improve the texture of this bun and give it a nice glow after it cools down. So you will cover again and let it rest so that the butter will seep inside the bun and make it more soft. So you can see the texture of the laddi pav because I made 40 of them. So I was making another batch. So you can see it is quite sticky dough. So these are the laddi pav which have cooled down. I will remove it from the tray and place the other set of dough which I have prepared. So this is my perfect recipe. Do try and see how soft and fluffy these turn out to be. I would really like to know the feedbacks and comments if you try them. Any doubts, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and take care.